everyone, this is Kate Esser from RegDEsk. Let's take a look at our top 3 global regulatory updates. For our first alert this week, we have an alert from Korea regarding digital medical device manufacturing and quality control standards. This notification establishes GMP standards for digital medical devices under the Digital Medical Products Act. It defines scope, audit types, including remote options for software, criteria differentiating software or AI/ML and hardware, and procedures for conformity assessment. The standard details certificate validity, marking, and roles of audit bodies. Our second alert is from Argentina. ANMAT has published provision number 2656/2025. Imported medical products and accessories cannot enter into the Argentine territory when their expiration date is less than 6 months. Medical products and accessories with a useful life approved by the National Institute of Medical Products of this national administration less than or equal to 6 months are exempted from the scope of this provision. The present provision supersedes provision number 1655/1999. Our third alert is from the UK regarding regulations for waste, electrical, and electronic equipment, or WEEE. The MHRA has updated the guidance by adding a link to the latest household WEEE collection targets. Thank you for joining us. You can stay updated with the RegDesk for your most important regulatory news. This is Gay Esser with your global regulatory updates.